guys, today I'm going to do a review of these FruBites. This is the freeze-dried mango. I did a review of the freeze-dried pineapple a while back. It's actually really good. I like it. Tastes really sweet. Never tried pineapple. I've never tried mango, so I definitely wanted to get this. This bag is also bigger than the other one. So this is 30 grams. As you can see, this is only 20 grams. So, all right, let's put. There's the nutrient panel if you want to read it, pause the video. Of course, it's just mangoes. So, all right, so here's the freeze-dried mango. Let's try it out. In these nice little cubes. Cool. So it's really airy, not as dense as the pineapple one, but it has a nice mango flavor. But if I had to choose between one or the other, I'd choose the pineapple actually. It's really airy, almost like powdery, so but it's good. It has mango flavor. Definitely check it out. Like the aroma comes out really well. I don't know, I think the pineapple just has a nice crunch to it. So all right guys, stay tuned for more videos.